Good evening, Miss. I'm Kristiyanti from Public Relations Might. I want to share my English task for simple past. Okay. Simple present tense is a form of tense used to describe something that is happening now, present at a specific time, because it happens at the present time. You must use the first verb 1, in the sentence structure. We have to use for regular habits or daily routine. We have to use the simple present to express the idea that an that an action is repeated or usual. The action can be a habit, a hobby, a daily event, or something that often happens. For example, I play soccer. The school opens every morning at 7 a.m. She always forgets her book. And if for facts or generalization, the simple present can also indicate the speaker believes that a fact was true before, is true now, and will be true in the future. It is not important if the speaker is correct about the fact. It is also used to make generalization about people or things. For example, joke like me, Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia, glass are not made from paper, and if scheduled even in the near future, speaker occasionally use simple present to talk about scheduled event in the near future. This is most commonly done when talking about public transportation, but it can use but it can be used with other scheduled events as well. For example, the train leaves tonight at 7 p.m. When do we board the plane? The class starts at 7 o'clock. The simple present is used with adverbs like below, always, where I always come to school by bus. Often, I don't come here very often. Usually, she usually drinks milk at 7 a.m. Sometimes I go to party. Rarely, she rarely cooks. Never, she's never late for class. Every day, they sleep late every day. Grammar rules. To form the simple present, we add s to the infinitive of the verb in the third person singular. For he or she or it, for example, I live. He or she or it lives. I sing. He or she or it sings. And but when the verb ends in O double S S H C H X, we have to add ES. For example, I go. We have to add ES for at the for in the end word. Like he or she or it goes. I kiss to be he or she or it kisses. I watch to be he or she or it watches. I was to be he or she or it watches. And I fix to be he or she or it fixes. And if a consonant followed by y, the y changes into ie and we have to add s. For example, I study. We have to add I, E, and S. Like this example, I study to be he or she studies. And if a vowel followed by Y, we just add S, not E, not I, E, and S, but just add S. For example, I play. I play. He or to be he or she plays. And if to form the negative and interrogative, we need the auxiliary verb to do in the present simple. This means we have to add es in the third person singular for he or she or it, while the main verb will be used in the infinitive. Like this, for example, do I like, do you like, do they like? To be I don't like, you don't like, they don't like, and does I like? Does she like? Does they like? To be I doesn't like, she doesn't like, they doesn't like. And grammar structure. We have three tables in here for affirmative, negative, and interrogative. For example, in affirmative, I live. To be in negative, I don't live. And interrogative, do I live? And we can see we have 8 example in here. And a simple present WH question with the auxiliaries do and does. Like this, what do you do on Saturday morning? What does he do on weekdays? I have breakfast in a restaurant. She does exercise. When do you go to school? When does he play? We go to school on weekdays. He plays soccer on Wednesday. Something like that. For question, what do you on Saturday morning? I have breakfast in a restaurant. What does he do on weekdays? He does exercise. When do you go to school? We go to school on weekdays. When does he play? He plays soccer on Wednesday. Thank you, Miss.